Greetings to you all beautiful souls. Let's quickly learn another style today. I welcome you all my new and old subscribers. Let's learn together. I have 2-in-1 here. The material on my hand is ashoke fabric, the basket type of ashoke fabric, and the division is just 20/80. You can see it. So placing it on my head from the back, then I brought everything to the back and started twisting it. Twisting this longer parts, I'll keep pulling it round that shorter one until I exhaust whatever I have there. All the material I have there, I'll roll it round until I exhaust everything. Then when I have exhausted it, as you have seen now, I'll use office pin. Pay attention closely. This head wrap is very simple, very easy, but elegant style, I bet you. Then I'll use office pin and pin it there. I have been checked my previous video. I've been using this same base. I think this is the 7th or 8th times now using this same base. Just learn this base, you can create so many styles. This is the 7th or 8th styles now I'm creating from this base. Scroll down my page and you're going to see it. So bringing the middle down this way, I will use rubber band to hold that middle. If this is the first time you're coming across my videos, the person you're hearing her voice is Demi Igele Empire and Demi Entertainment on Facebook, Demi Igele Empire on YouTube, and Demi Entertainment on Facebook. Alright, you can see I want to create a bow on top. So you can see that flap, that side that is pointing out, I folded it inside. Pay close attention now. I folded it inside. Then I'm going to use office pin. You see, I'll use my office pin and pin it there. What I did here now, I'm still going to do it to the other side. So I welcome you all my beautiful subscribers. I say kudos to you all. You're beautiful, you're wonderful. Thank you for helping me to stay tuned. And those of you that is still watching and you have not subscribed, please, I am begging you, do subscribe. Let's learn together. I tell you, you have a lot of beautiful, elegant style to learn here. So that place I pointed now, you can use your hair accessories to cover that rubber band. You can see the back now. If you want to close it, just drag it and pin it. That's all. Alright, if you want to keep it open because of your hairdo the way I did, you can see the head wrap is beautiful and elegantly standing out. So you can rock the party. Alright, so that is it. Please don't go away. I have another style that I will show you here. Just watch closely. Alright, if you are joining me from here, the person you're hearing her voice is Demi Igele Empire on YouTube and Demi Entertainment on Facebook. So this side now I used to form bow tie. I'll just remove the pin. Watch closely. I've removed this side pin. I'm also going to remove this other side pin so that the two pointed side will be very, very outstanding. Okay, so I'm going to pin it together. Watch closely now. I've removed that pin, so I'll bring two of them together and pin it from the middle. Watch now. I bring it together from the middle or from down. I use office pin to hold it. So the two side now will be pointing out. You see it now. I have pointed things just like that. Pointed things. Alright, so the other side I pin it down to the base of the head wrap, then adjust it. The head wrap is ready. Alright, so please do remember to drop your like and your comment. Let's learn together. Subscribe. Don't just watch and walk away. Subscribe to my channel. Let's learn together. I bet you have a lot to learn here. I am on my knees. Just subscribe. Alright, so please do want to share my video, and above all, also practice the same make perfect. Before you know it, you're there. You can see the second style is ready, elegantly ready. So let's rock it. Thank you for watching. I love you so much. Just to all my subscribers, keep rocking until I see you again. I love you all. Bye. Thanks for watching.